Hi everyone, hope you're well. I'm back in the workshop today, so just doing another behind the scenes video to show you some of the things we get up to in our valve automation centre here at Valve and Process Solutions. Most of the valves you'll see as actuating tend to be metal valves, so carbon steel valves or stainless steel valves, or possibly even lined valves. But we do from time to time get asked for plastic valves, so it may be for a particular chemical application or something like that where a plastic valve is required. There's quite a few on the market. For this particular application we're using the Georg Fischer 546 valve, and that's actually a PVCu valve. This is a flange version with the split flanges on. So it comes lever operated with a T-bar lever on. We have to remove the lever, and then we actually have a special Georg Fischer ISO mounting pad which clicks onto the valve, and then that allows us to use the ISO mounting of whichever actuator it is we choose, whether it's a Norbro, a Keystone, an actuate, or in this particular instance it's the high torque actuator that we're using. So we've got the Georg Fischer 546 valve on there. We've got the high torque spring return actuator. We've got the Pneumatrol solenoid on there. We've got the Westlock switch box with the beacon indicator, and then we've actually back-wired these using one of our back-wiring kits. So this is an intrinsically safe application, so we've used the correct wiring, the correct blanding. If you are interested, we do actually sell these kits as a standalone item for you to purchase, so that you can actually back-wire your solenoid yourself. So if that's something that you're interested in, please give us a shout. We've used the Westlock cast mounting kit, which makes it look quite a nice package. So these will be going off to site now, and they'll be used on some kind of a chemical application where maybe the metal valve isn't compatible with whatever's going through the valve. So they've gone for the PVCu version, which solves that problem for them. So quite a nice, neat little package. Quite a few of these to do for a little project that we've got going out. So we'll do that. We'll then test the switches, test the solenoid, stroke the valve a few times just to make sure that everything works. We've also been asked to put a stainless steel tag on these valves, so we've actually got the tag number of the valve on there as well, so the customer knows exactly which valve it is when it turns up and where it's going to go on the plan. So that's just a little video just to show you something a little bit different. Plastic valves being actuated with spring return actuators. Thanks very much for watching.